Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Phillip. We got a Chevy Colorado 2005. Customer says when the truck is running he hears a growling noise, so let's see if we can hear anything. Oh, something's growling. Alright. I bet it's just the water pump. Let's see. Oh yeah, that water pump bearing is bad. I guess we're doing the water pump today. This is a 3.5 liter 2005 Chevy Colorado. Okay, looks like this shroud's a two-piece, so let's take off these little clips here. Okay, fan shroud's off. It's actually a three-piece shroud, which is weird, but now we're gonna use an air chisel to crack the nut loose here for the fan clutch. Whew, dusty. It looks like we got a bad belt tensioner too. It's all cockeyed. You can see how bad this water pump is. We got a bad belt tensioner too. It's been rubbing up against the timing cover here. Okay, we took the four 13mm bolts off of the water pump pulley. And look at that. Here's another look at the water pump before we take it off. This thing's completely gone. Okay, we'll just clean up this surface here and get ready for the new one. Alright, time for the new water pump. Okay, we got the inside of the pulley all cleaned up, so we can put this back on. Okay. Now we gotta take care of this problem. Okay, so there's just one bolt right here. I think it's a 15. Okay, there's a little notch right here. So you want to make sure on the back of the tensioner, this part here goes right in this notch. Okay, that's good to go. So we're going to change the idler pulley too. The bearing's getting pretty worn, you can hear it. So we're going to replace that. Oop. Okay, all good. Now we can put the serpentine belt on. Okay, it's all good to go. So we'll put the fan and fan clutch back on, put the rest of the fan shroud on. I filled it up with Dex Cool already. That's the coolant that it calls for. And we'll turn the heater on and let it run and get any air pockets out of the cooling system that are in there. There's like a weird middle ring. Gotta make sure it sits in the slot properly. That holds the upper and the lower part of the fan shroud. It locks together. Okay, let's put those clips back on the side. Okay, fan shroud's all locked down again. Let's put this hose back on and let's fire it up. No more wobble wobble. Tension looks good. So we got the heater on, so we'll just double check the coolant here in a little bit when it gets operating temperature. Okay, so here's all the old parts. Here's the water pump. You can hear that. The tensioner, it was rubbing right through this bolt from leaning over so much, so you can even see it leaning from right here. It's thinner here and bigger over here. And the idler pulley. Okay, so that's it on the water pump, serpentine belt tensioner, and idler pulley replacement on this 2005 Chevy Colorado with a 3.5. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, with Fix It Phillip, you can fix it. See you next time.